All right, I'm going to show you how to add your favorite apps down here in your taskbar so you can easily open them anytime with a single click. The apps you have currently open will always show there, but you can also pin apps there so they're always visible, whether they're running or not. To add something to the taskbar, I'll first click the Start menu and then find the app I want to add. You could choose the app icon here if you see it, or you can just use the search up top. I'll search for Firefox, for example, and once it shows up in my search results, I'll right-click the app and choose Pin to Taskbar. You could also pin apps to Start, which adds them to the Start menu. Now Firefox went to my taskbar, and it's visible even when the app is not open. Just repeat this to as many apps as you want, and if you ever need to remove something from the taskbar, you can just right-click the apps down there and choose Unpin. If you already have an app running, let's say I have my calculator open, for example, that means the icon is already shown down in the taskbar, and to keep it there, I can right-click the icon down here and choose to pin it to my taskbar. So basically, it doesn't matter how or where you do it. You'll just locate the app, right-click it, and then pin it. Easy peasy. Click that like button down there if this helped you, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in another video.